creative, mother of lessons. The most risk-taking animal this author has ever seen is a type of mountain goat called Nilgiri Thar. Though facing extinction, this type of goat is seen in rather good numbers in the southern regions of the western and eastern Ghats. It walks with enviable ease even through the narrow edges of cliffs. Most of us just see them, get amazed by their queer mobility and return home without bothering ourselves to learn anything from them. Different was the case with the designers at the reputed shoe brand Nike. They once saw a small herd of mountain goats at Oregon Zoo and as soon as you can imagine, got amazed at its wonderful ability to climb great heights with ease. No sooner had they seen this spectacle, their creative brains started working. The result of this high voltage mental activity was their all-time best trekking shoe, Gore-Tex Traction. The very name itself tells a lot, such as the lesson they had learned from the gods, the technology behind it, and of course the grip this shoe offers the wearer. Even today it is considered the best all-terrain shoe. Just Google out some great spectacles of the Beijing Olympics 2008. Invariably, your eyes will get stuck at the monumental stadium that hosted the whole event. Herzog and de Meuron, the architecture firm that constructed the whole thing, also had a great lesson from Mother Nature. Whoever has seen a bird's nest will be amazed to find its structural strength and beauty. So was Herzog and de Meuron. They just made an architectural marvel totally on the model of a bird nest, and that nest could house the entire Olympics events. Its facade consists of thousands of steel twigs filled with translucent panels mimicking the pattern and qualities of a nest. Whatever field you are interested in, nature can always provide you with new insights. Nature is the extreme example of creativity. The truth is that it has been made creative by necessity. After 3.8 billion years of evolution, nature has found what works and, most importantly, what lasts. Creativity inspired by nature is more than just looking at patterns and structures that it offers for our sight. Creative minds don't think in terms of what they can extract from the natural world, but what they can learn from it. Creativity demands you to study nature's best ideas and to imitate them. We all like frozen food. Do you know from where the idea of frozen foods came? While traveling in Canada, Clarence Birdseye ate some that had been naturally frozen and later thawed. He used nature's idea and the frozen food industry took off. Opera House, the landmark building at Sydney, the capital of Australia, was modelled upon a cut-up orange. Japan's Shinkansen bullet train is modelled on the kingfisher's aerodynamic beak. Whatever is your field of creative interest, nature has produced something that is related to it. Explore the world of animals and plants. Learn to use them as a library of ideas. Nature can be your real guru. Now the creativity exercise for you. A piece of popcorn falls out of the packet at a cinema's cafeteria. It wants desperately to reach back to its fellow popcorns in the packet. What happens next?